Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of this 5-minute tutorial series. I'm so excited because in today's video I'll be showing you how to draw a face in 5 minutes. So if you guys want to learn how to draw realistic features like I do, stay tuned and watch this entire video because I will be giving you guidelines on how to draw realistic features. So let's jump right to the atelier. So guys, in this video I'll be using a Faber-Castell size 6B pencil. And of course, as always, I'll leave a link in the description box below if you guys are interested in this particular product. So, when you start a drawing, you always need to draw the geometric forms on your paper. They are the basis of the realistic drawing you want to make. So let's start with a circle. I never erase my mistakes because I like to keep them. Voila. Like to keep them in order to have a character in my authenticity, because mistakes always one, they teach us, two, they give a character to this to the drawing. So once I did the circle, I do lines coming down from the circle in order for me to have the shape of an egg. Voila. Okay, once I have the shape of my egg, I divide the shape into two. Then when I do this, I divide this line into two equal parts. Then this line into two from this into another two equal parts, and then here from here 3 equal parts. Okay, so I do have three proportionate equal parts. Now I'm ready to start with the facial features. The facial features, I usually start with them by drawing the eyes, because the eyes are gonna give me the nose and the mouth. So between two eyes, usually there is the size of an eye. So this is the size of my right eye. Also, this is the size of my left eye. So I draw now the eyes. If you guys are interested, I did a video about how to draw realistic arts. If you want to check it out, I would be more than happy. Okay. So I'm doing this fast because I only have a couple of minutes to draw realistic features and a realistic face. Ooh, I have big eyes. I like big eyes. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I draw two vertical lines from the beginning of my eyes into this, dividing this straight line. And this is the way I'm gonna be able to draw my nose. And this is the limit of my nostrils. Perfect. Am I going too fast, guys? If I'm going too fast, please don't hesitate to comment below if you want me to explain more. Then, two other vertical lines that will divide this line and from the iris, of course, vertical lines from the iris, and this will help me to draw the mouth. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now I do have the facial features. I do have realistic facial features. Of course, that is the hair. Voila. And after doing that, what is most important and gives the realistic shape of everything are the shadows. So the shadows is very important because you need to always remember that when you do the shadows, you need to always draw them in the same directions. So here I am drawing the shadows in the same direction, depending on where I want the light to be. If I want the light to be here, then this will have more shadow. This part will have more shadow than the other part. Okay. Also with the shadow, there are the values. I need to watch out for the values, where to do more shadows, where to enhance the shadows, where not to enhance the shadows. This is very important. So, what time is it? Okay, perfect. We'll have a bit of time to continue this with the shadows. So, as I said, the shadows are extremely important, and you need to know where to enhance your shadows or where not to enhance your shadows. And of course, I can always forget, there are the ears that you need to draw. These are here. Voila. They are here and here. Voila. These are the ears. Yeah. Okay. So I'll sign in Oriental letters simply because I do come from Lebanon. It's where I learned to draw realistic features. I'll put this one here if you guys are interested in seeing what the pencil looks like. Now you are able, and I'm sure you are able, to draw realistic face in only 5 minutes. It's very easy. It's only about geometrical forms, equal parts being divided, and just practicing. If you want to get better at drawing, you really need to draw every single day like I do. Voila! This is the realistic face. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And if you have any comment or request, don't hesitate to write them in the comment box below. And if you liked the video as much as I did, please give it a thumbs up. It would be really helpful. And subscribe to my channel for more art inspiration. Until next time, take care of yourself.